What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel Anderzen. As you guys can see, it's a wet and rainy day out, but we have the photo shoot part 2 planned. So still got to get out and do it. Luckily, I think we are gonna try to shoot inside of a carport today at one of the park and rides. So it shouldn't be too bad. Not gonna do any like rolling shots today. Just me and the cameraman. We don't have a chase car right now. We didn't really need it. We were just planning on doing stills anyway. So yeah, that's the plan. I figured I would show you guys a little bit more behind the scenes again and let you guys see what we have planned and what we have going on. So stay tuned. Alright guys, here we are. Part 2 of the shoot. As you see, we got the banner installed now. It's photo quality, but not inspection worthy if you get up close to it. But yeah, here we are. The maestro's at work right now. Got Miko doing his thing, getting some interior shots. Everything's looking solid thus far. We're protected from the weather. Not the worst day to shoot, all things considered. So we're having fun with it regardless. Gonna get as much as we can, just keep it on stock, and yeah, see what we can create. He's already been working on a video, visuals video, and we have a lot of different ideas that we're trying to figure out which direction to go, or we might just make multiple kind of avenues for it. So you guys will see things soon, and yeah, you guys enjoy. Got the rollers. Luckily they passed by though, they didn't mind. Nobody in here right now anyway, so doing our thing. Get some refraction shots right now off the water. Alright, that'll wrap up today's shoot and behind the scene part 2. If you guys haven't already, go follow Edited by Miko on Instagram. He's got a YouTube page too. You can find all his stuff through his Instagram, so go follow him. It's doing super dope work, and I'm super pumped to see what he's put together. He just got a new camera too from the last shoot, so went up another notch, and the last shoot was already really good. So yeah, be on the lookout for that stuff. You guys can check IG, and we'll be making a visuals video for YouTube as well. So I'm gonna get to driving. My phone's almost dead anyway, so hope you guys are enjoying your new year so far. Get it started right, and I will see you guys on the next one. Peace.